Okay, so I have here a 2007 Dodge Nitro 3.7 liter. The owner of this car requested that I replace the cooling fan assembly, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and get started on first. I'll move y'all closer to be able to see, but I've never worked on a Dodge Nitro before, so again, another learning lesson. But I love to learn. I love to learn about new vehicles, and you know, we'll go from there and see what it's going to take to get this cooling fan replaced. So it's got little grommets in there that hold them in, but man, they're putting up a fight. Looks like it was missing the bolt that hooked it to the shroud. If I have a spare bolt laying around, I'll put it in, but or a clip maybe. It might have even been a clip. But if I have one, I'll put it in. If not, I'll just have to keep it like that. Looks like there's a clip over here to unplug on top of the reservoir. Yeah. There are a couple bolts missing that hold this on. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, let's be real. That one's loose, this one's tight, this one's missing. I mean, it is what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and take these two off and then get on to the next one. Looks like there's P20s. Oh, figured out why that one was loose. It's stripped. Okay. Yep, it was just stuck in that clip. There's another star bit at the back there. Okay. That's done. I'm gonna have to disconnect this washer pump. It's gonna make a mess. Looks like we got the fan assembly. We have a plug we have to disconnect. Ow. Squished my finger. Okay. Looks like I got the fan unplugged. And possibly it looks like some transmission lines that are clipped on the fan assembly, so I'll need to look at that as well. So it looks like you can unbolt that. Probably with an 8mm bolt. We shall see. Right there. If y'all see those lines, they're connected to the fan, and there's a little, it looks like 8mm bolt holding it on, and you could just take that bolt off and it'll come apart. All right, maybe I'll, okay. Now it looks like 8mm here on the ear of the fan, another 8mm here, and it should just lift up. So, 1, 2. All right. Moment of truth. Does the new one match the old one? So far it's looking right. Let's first set it up. Looks like it's a Dorman they bought. But it looks like the resistor's all there. Turn it over. Yep, bam, bam. Connector. Let's see, 3-pin. Yeah, it all looks good. So I'll go ahead and get it slapped back in there. But I'll put it on there. There we go. All right, going in. Okay, get our bolts back in. Now it comes back to reinstalling this, which is with this connector. I'm gonna go see if I have some dielectric grease, just put it on the edge here. You don't need to put a lot either. So barely any, just to keep moisture out, if anything was to happen. Here we go. It's dielectric, so remember, it's going to cause problems if you put a lot on there. I'll set this back in there. Hopefully it stops leaking. Perfect. All done right there. We got to get this connector plugged back in as well. I'm gonna spray a little silicone lubricant on these grommets, possibly make it easier to go in. Put this back in. Yep, it's a clip, and I don't have any clips laying around. Pop this thing back in. There we go. Okay. Gotta get this hose plugged back on. Just on the edge. Okay. Okay. All right. You got washer fluid, you want to top it off, coolant, you want to top it off. Which this one, ugh. This one looks plumb full, but it's nasty. It is nasty. Looks like it'd probably been using water in this, or somebody, the previous owner, whoever, might have been using water in this, because it definitely needs to be flushed out. All right. Well, I'd say that was pretty easy. Really wasn't too much entailed. Okay, well, that's the end of it. Honestly, it was a pretty easy job. I like that. You know, very simple so far on a Dodge Nitro. If anybody was curious, it's easy to put a fan assembly in. If y'all have any more questions, just let me know down below. But this is how you install a fan assembly on a 2007 Dodge Nitro 3.7 liter.